Welcome to Get Merch Made Academy. My name is Chris. This academy is for influencers that want to make money selling merch to their fans. How can my team and I, based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, teach you and or get your merch made so that you can focus on what you do best? Create content, engage with your fans, and ultimately monetize your channel. On this page, we're offering an online course called Get Merch Made in Vietnam. It's 21 lessons, 10 minutes each, based on my 15 plus years of experience making merch in Vietnam. The course is broken down into 3 chapters. The first chapter is insider tips based on 15 years of experience. The second chapter is finding and working with factories in Vietnam. And the third chapter is shipping, duties, legal, and finance. Check out the first 2 introductory lessons for free to get started, or message us if you have any questions. Thanks for your time, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam, where you can get your merch made at a fair price and good quality.